Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewska here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. Let me talk to you guys about how I'm preparing my customers for our amazing new product launch. I'm assuming I'm not the only one who gets super excited for new products, for the new catalog. That's why I do sell Epicure, because I buy the stuff myself. One of the main reasons why I sell it is because there was nobody around me that I felt was as excited as I was about the Epicure products. So I didn't really want to buy from them. I prefer to buy from myself, make the extra commission, and I get to try all of the new products before everybody else. So it's really, really exciting, and you should make your customers excited too. So I'm going to show you guys a couple things, but what I did yesterday was I created an event in Facebook. So let me kind of show you guys how I did that. And I am going to be hosting an event online, August 31st to be exact, where it will just be a fun event where I will be showcasing our new products and showing them off, because the new products do come September the 1st. So everybody who does attend will be seeing them all firsthand. I will be showing them how to use them, some ideas for meals, time saving, all kinds of things. But more importantly, I will be offering sales for one day only and buy one, get one. So pretty amazing. So these sales I do make up on my own, meaning any sale that I do offer, yes, it does take out of my commission. But I don't mind doing that, because to remain active, you need to sell $250 worth of products every 3 months. And yes, that can be easy sometimes, but then sometimes it can be a little bit harder. But I find it's perfect to, test that out for the new product launches, because people are excited. And I don't mind missing out on a little bit of commission to sell more, because then ultimately you get new customers who want more, and they come back when their stuff runs out. So let me just show you guys how I did that. I'm just going to share my screen here. Let's see. So what I did was I created an event yesterday, and I did post it as an announcement in my main group on Facebook. So here is it here. But then, as you can see, as soon as you come into the actual group, that's the first thing you do see, because I did post it under announcements. I usually post in my group once a day, sometimes every other day. It depends. But now I'm posting once or twice a day, because I want people to get excited. I want people to be thinking of me for this new product launch. So as I said, here's the announcement here. If you guys just click on that, this is what my event looks like. So I just had a little picture here. I did say it will be Friday, August the 31st from 4 till 10. There's not really a set time, because I'll be posting throughout the day, probably every hour, every 2 hours, about our new products to get them excited. But I did put a time there, because when you create an event, you do need a time. And even though I did say several times, and it says right here, new Epicure product launch online, a lot of people will still message me and saying, what time is it? Where do I go? So if I at least put a time, they can't say, oh, well, if it's starting in the morning, I can't attend. Even though it's online, you can always attend. You can always be looking, but I find that people don't always get that right away. And then I do talk about it a little bit here. So I don't only say that I'll be showcasing the new products and there will be deals offered, because some people might go, okay, well, it doesn't really sound that exciting, right? But what I did was I said, learn how to incorporate Epicure while trying to eat healthier, lower blood sugar, have more energy, easy food prep, crock pot favorites, kids tried and true recipes, one-pot meals, and cook faster, healthier meals overall. So that sounds like it would apply to everybody, because who doesn't want more energy? As we should know at this point, the healthier we eat, the better we feel, the more energy we have. I could go on and on and on. To lower blood sugar, to lower blood pressure, which I actually should add to lower blood pressure, because that kind of applies to a lot more people. Lately, I've been getting a lot of new customers who are saying, I I need to eat healthier. Where should I start? Or my doctor told me to limit salt. Where do I start? So this will help their problem with they don't know where to start. They want to eat healthier, but they don't know how. So I try to make it sound good for everybody. And then at the end, I said, join me online for a day of jam-packed information just in time for the new seasonal product release. Every guest online gets special deals and buy one, get one offers for guests in the event. So if they're actually attending, as you can see, I did invite 11 people so far. I am hoping that more people will come, of course, but I just haven't had a chance to advertise it too much yet. But see, so I am offering special things. And in case you're curious, for the buy one get one, I'm thinking something like if you buy a multi-purpose steamer, so that's about $50. Then they get a spice for free, or they get a what is that spoon called that we have? I think it's called the all-in-one spoon for free. So they do have to spend a lot to get something for free, but that's still buy one, get one, right? So that's just kind of what I'm doing. And in the event, I'm posting once a day of, things to look forward to. So I'm just kind of talking a little bit about Epicure. I will be showcasing some of the surprises for September, so the host exclusives, which they do always say to not post any of that yet, but you know what? It's my party. I can do what I want to, so why not, right? So that's just what I'm doing. So I'm going to post once a day, so not too much to overwhelm people, but I want to still post to get people excited, because there's nothing worse than having an event, posting, the day before the event, hoping people will come. They're not going to remember that they said yes to the event. So get them excited. So that's what I'm going to be doing to get people excited for the new products and to hopefully buy a lot of stuff. So if you guys have any other ideas, let me know, and let me know what you're thinking about for your event as well, because the nice thing too about September is that every party hosted, so even if you host your own party, you can get 2 times the rewards, which is the perfect time to host because you get more free stuff. So another reason why I started selling Epicure was to get the free stuff. So I get more free stuff. I love it. So thank you guys for watching. If you need any help, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.